So this is the ram mount that I'm going to be doing this test with right here. I've got the 4-inch with the GoPro mount. You can see it hooks right in there. Easy install, all screws provided and everything. We're just going to test the stabilization on this. Let's ride a little bit. Well, I'm testing this GoPro7 out on this ram mount ball here. What I'm looking for is a stabilization. If it's smooth, not with the camera, but with the vibration or shaking of the ram mount. That's what I want to check for. I'm going to check in selfie mode. When it's in selfie mode here, then I'm going to flip the camera around. That's going to be all of this. See whether I get it to yay or a nay for mounting your GoPro. I'm just in my neighborhood right here. All right, that's about 1 minute in selfie mode. All right, let's check it out in front view. See what we get. I'll see how it handles over the bumps. Kind of rough. All right, let's take a little curve up here. So this is the ram mount that I went with. It's the 4-inch right here on the Honda GoldWing. You could get the 6-inch maybe to get it back a little further. You can see that's where it mounts right into your cover that's on there. Pretty quick, easy install. That's not what this is about though. I just wanted to test the shakiness. So, and you get it set, you get it mounted. You just have to be aware that wherever you mount it, to make sure in a full lock, it's not going to hit the windshield, okay? So I wanted to basically test the shakiness of it, and it appears with this setup right here with the ram mount on the GoPro, the camera's pretty stable. Now keep in mind the GoPro7 has got pretty good image stabilization. So I just wanted to give a quick test of a review. And like I say, I've got the 4-inch right here. It's kind of spring loaded right here as well. Hooks up easy, and here's the GoPro mount right there. I'll post a link on the website where I got this from. I'm not finding the new piece on the website as of this moment. So anyhow, appreciate you watching, and drop me a comment. What do you think? Is that stable enough? I don't really know if I'm sold on the angle though. It's kind of got a different angle. But I mostly use at least one GoPro for a selfie cam. Anyway, so just thought I'd share this with you. Let me know what you think about the footage. Is it stable enough? Is it good enough? Anyway, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.